The library is part of the University of Chicago's network printing system. This means that you use one print account to copy, print, fax, or scan from many different campus locations. To start, you must first add value to your university print account. You may add value online by going to printing.uchicago.edu. Then choose the Add Value Online quick link. After adding money to your account, you are able to print documents from library computers. To print from a library computer, select the Print option in the program you are using. Make sure the printer selected is Secure Printer on Uniflow. Edit your print job by selecting black and white, color, single side, or duplex options. Black and white printing costs 13 cents per page. Color printing costs 18 cents per page. The default is black and white duplex printing, which is 13 cents per side. Once you have sent your print job to the printer, visit any print copy scan station. All print stations will print black and white documents. A select few will also print color documents. To locate print stations, select Copy Print Scan Locations on printing.uchicago.edu. To release your print job, tap your University ID card on the printing station. Select the Secure Print option and highlight the jobs you would like to print. The screen will display the cost of the selected jobs. Select Print and Delete to print. The university also offers web printing. Web printing allows users to print from any computer or mobile device. Simply visit printing.uchicago.edu and select the Web Printing quick link. Log in with your CNET ID and password and upload your documents. Your documents will be available to print from any print copy scan station on campus for 24 hours.